Okay, let's look at the Manish water. Oh yeah, that's boiling up nice. Good morning, viewers and subscribers. I apologize that I didn't get a video out yesterday. I just had too many things going on, and so today I'm going to go out. I had a suggestion from one of my subscribers that I make my videos a little bit longer, so that's what I'm going to try to do today. So I've changed some of my settings so I can streamline my process. So we're going to go see how that goes. So I'm just on the road here. People don't want to be videoed, are going to have to clear away. But I know Wayne loves to be on. Wayne's over here in his brand new. Here we go. Look at Wayne.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Big up.
Yeah.
All right, man. Show me how it goes. Show me how does it drive good?
Yeah, man.
You even got a backup beeper.
Yeah, man. Here.
Uh-oh, it don't tip or nothing though.
No.
I thought it was gonna tip right there.
You have to put the back.
Okay.
Yeah. I have to put some weight at the front, because the front light, you know.
Uh-huh.
So you have to put, when I go over the hill now, like so. You have to put the weight.
Oh, you gotta lean a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man, and if you want more speed in the push, you know.
Oh, you got like a hyperdrive.
Yeah, but you kind of itch up about this, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man,
Oh, because it'll heat up the battery, but so you can just do it for short bursts.
yeah, man, see?
Okay. If you do that on a straightaway, you really go too fast.
Yeah.
I better help you fix that seatbelt before you try that too much.
Yeah.
You know?
And flash me out, you know. Yeah, man, it's speed at the road. Speed at the road. Come go for the last night for the dead yard, you know.
Oh, you went up the dead yard, I wondered.
I ride it.
You rode this up there?
Yeah, man, we're right by the hill, but somebody stay behind it, you know. Just
oh, somebody behind you to kind of force some of the ruts in the road.
Yeah, I come down back now, somebody behind it said way too, somebody and hold it, because it go down on the road bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody just take time and
so, but at least while you were up there, you could move a little bit.
Yeah, man, move around and so. You know.
You stay out late at the dead yard?
Yeah, I come on about 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, early that, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, because that time the people...
I don't even know what time I got over. I fell asleep before they were done. I could hear the music, you know.
Yes.
But I fell asleep long before it was over with.
Yeah, man.
Something peaceful about it, you know. You realize it's people are celebrating somebody's passing, you know.
Yes, and just going like some candle and thing, you know.
If somebody's just having a party, sometimes that music drives me crazy when I'm trying to sleep.
Yeah.
But when you know it's because somebody's celebrating somebody's passing, you look at it different. It gives you a different emotion, you know.
Yeah, man, a reality.
Yeah.
Show that love there, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah,
all right, man. Well, I'm going to go down the road and try to catch a little video, you know.
Yeah, man. All right, little bit.
So, you have a good one.
Yeah, man.
All right, there you have it. Wayne's out and about, and he went up to a dead yard up on the hill last night, which, you know, was really nice. You know, first time going up the hill, I think, in his new wheelchair. Man, it's a great thing. It's a great thing for him. So anyway, I don't know why I'm trying to walk fast here. I need to just relax, slow down. Viewers and subscribers, I want to tell y'all, I am really pleased with the amount of new subscribers I'm getting. Bless up every one of you. Big up yourself. Much respect. Good morning. I'm going by this new place right here. Hello. Hey. I'm gonna cast the camera over here if that's okay. Can I cast the camera over here? I'm gonna cast it because this is a nice new place with the bam. See? See, look at the new place here. Nice bamboo enclosure, nice and cool in there, I bet, you know? Yeah, it's nice. Nice new shop. And I see him over here. I see him over here quite a bit. I see him over here quite a bit, playing dominoes and stuff in here. So it's really turned out to be a popular place. And I think it's because It must be very cool in here, you know, because of the way the bamboo is done. It makes it extra cool, and people like that, you know. Yeah, yeah. Here, let me just sit right in here and see. Oh my God, the temperature dropped about 25 degrees. I swear to God.
Yeah.
It's very cool in here.
Yeah. Right now.
Yeah, it's cooler right here than on my veranda. I'll guarantee you $100.
Yeah. Right now.
100 US. That's
right now.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes.
Cool. Cool with the bamboo.
Yeah, the bamboo really.
Yeah.
I told me to get the bamboo something to push up in the top, make it cooler.
Yeah. Can I show you? Can I show your face? Can I show your face?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Is this your place?
Yes, my place.
Yes.
Nice and
Congratulations.
cool and all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how long has it been here?
Long. About a month, me fix up.
About a month. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have a name for the place?
No. Bamboo, one little bamboo cool out spot.
Just a bamboo cool out. So we just
Yes.
now we came up with the name.
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't have a name before. Right now.
Yeah.
So, viewers and subscribers, you've been part of the new naming of the place.
Yes.
We need to take a champagne bottle and break it over the bamboo
Yes.
for the new name
Yes.
that says the Bamboo Cool Out Place.
Yes. So you come bust one champagne in there?
Huh?
You come bust one champagne?
I don't got any champagne.
So you say I bust one champagne?
Yeah.
So you say I bust one champagne?
You know this woman over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you did. And she's she's looking for champagne now.
Yeah.
So I think she's sending you to the store.
No,
I think she was sending you to the store, Piggy. Oh, me? Oh no! Oh no! I'm just playing. I made it all up. I made it all up. I made it all up about the champagne. They don't really do that.
Oh.
No, in Jamaica they use rum. They don't use champagne.
Yeah.
They pour a little rum for true.
Yeah.
You know. Speaking of which.
Jamaican.
Man, this is nice in here.
Yeah.
This is really nice. Now I see why it's become popular so fast.
Yeah.
You know, and it's down here.
You can buy a rum right here, so too.
Yeah.
Come see I buy rum at the shop. So when, like how it is nice.
Stay cool.
Stay cool. Buy rum here, so too.
Yeah. Yeah, and I'm closer to home too.
Yeah.
So if my wife has to come looking for me, she don't have to run so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tom.
You know, that's for true.
You might dry biscuit.
You know.
You might dry biscuit.
Huh?
Dry biscuit.
Rough, man. You can't even buy a drink.
Rough. Oh yeah.
Can't buy
I drink it straight. I drink my rum straight. I'm a rum drinker. I was a rum drinker before I even knew about Jamaica. It's true. Yeah.
Drink your rum.
America.
Yeah, America.
You might go on rum, man.
Yeah.
Beat rum and then come out.
Yeah. When I first got old enough for any kind of hard drink, it was always a rum I liked. Yeah. Rum and Coke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That I really drink that thing. But people not to drink it again.
No.
Them change it to boom.
But that's true. But you know,
But the boom not good with the rum.
when I have a good rum, I prefer it straight or over a little ice. Because, you know, the distillers went to a lot of time, you know, to make the rum just so, to get a nice taste. And if you go put something in it,
I chase my rum with water.
exactly, because now,
Water,
now you can taste the flavoring that the brewers put into it, you know. Yeah. So hopefully we didn't talk too much about that stuff because, you know, YouTube, they don't really like,
Yeah.
you know, all that kind of talk. But I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. I'm going to go down and see Tan Tan. Okay. I'm trying to do a little bit longer video today than I've been doing, you know.
Okay.
So, bless up, Piggy. Congratulations to you and your wife on your place here. Of course. Of course. Yeah, I must know a little something. I've been here over 3 years. Yeah, over 3 years. And I used to come on the road more, but I'll probably come back on now that I'm doing more filming, you know. No, I don't come on the road so much because my wife has to come looking for me.
But you're doing nothing.
So she got that ball and chain, you know. See right here? There's a ball and chain right there on my ankle. You don't see it? It's called, Piggy knows about this. It's called married life.
Yeah. Right here,
All right, big up yourself, you guys. Congratulations. I'll probably come back because this is cool in here.
Yeah.
I like it. Bless up.
Yeah, yeah.
That really is. Oh man, it's hot out here. Oh, that's beautiful. I've been wanting to stop in there and say hi. Wow, wow, wow. What a wonderful place. They got me all pumped up. I don't know if I'll make it all the way down to Tantan's. I've got all kinds of places along the way. Good morning. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, you know, I make a lot of jokes about my wife and everything, but these are all jokes. So, Maisie, when you watch this back, don't cuss me so. Whatever you do, do not cuss me so, because these are all big jokes. Yeah. Yeah. Well, let me just, I'm going to keep rolling. I'm not going to shut this off because I can't remember the person's name that said, you know, do more filming or go for longer. I'm going to try to go longer, and then later today Maisie and I are going on the road. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind. But later today, Maisie and I are going on the road. We got to go to the shoe man, and we got to go to the, I lost a little air out of one of my tires, so I probably need to have them take a look at it and see what's going on. Make sure there's not a nail in my tire. So then maybe I'll post that for you all tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to do longer videos for y'all. And there's Dede on the road. Can you believe? And I hope this wind isn't coming in too bad here, because I don't have an external mic on. So let me get right up close here, talk to y'all. Whew, it's windy on the road. Windy on the road. Viewers and subscribers, you're gonna have to forgive the wind noise, and you're gonna have to forgive this guy here too.
Hi, what's up? Hi peeps, how you doing? Yeah man, you know the top class that you're checking.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they do a little early morning vlog.
Yeah, I gotta decide, you know, because my subscribers said, you know, try to make them a little longer.
Oh. Okay.
So I thought, you know, let me just go down the road and just, if people get familiar with the same thing, I watch some other channels.
Yeah.
They go the same places all the time, but
Yeah,
it's a different experience.
Yeah, that's true.
And that's what people like to see. So I'm gonna try that,
Okay.
see how it goes.
Something different.
Cut the resolution down and the file size down and see if I can make it work this way, you know?
Yeah.
Because, you know, if it gets too big, it's hard to upload.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So we'll see how it looks, see how it goes.
Alright.
So bless up, man.
Yeah, man. Bless
Congratulations on your house. I still watch all your videos, you know.
Alright.
You got to get that fridge and stove though, you know.
Yeah. Put your dream out. Alright, peace out.
All right. There's Dede. Oh, somebody's getting some blocks today. Mel Hardware. Oh, I wonder if Buck's on the truck today. Big up Hampton Court Hardware. All right, somebody's getting a lot of blocks. What, about 250 blocks? Yeah. All right. Well, this is Cheswick. You know, now they're talking about redoing some of this road work here. As you can see, we get just doesn't take much rain. We had a little rain this morning, and we got the Dead Sea over here, the Caribbean Sea. That's the true Caribbean Sea right there. Caribbean. I don't know what they call it. All right. Well, I hope I don't make any funny facial ticks or anything, because, you know, I'm going to just run this straight through. Straight through. It's going to be a straight through video right here. So if anybody don't want to be on video, they gotta, I'll turn it around. You guys want to be movie stars? Okay. YouTube don't like all that stuff too much, but that's all right. We ain't even gonna talk about it. Just tobacco, so it's no big deal, you know. Bless up. Big up your old self. All right. See, this is Cheswick, a very friendly little place. Hello, yeah. It's a friendly little town, you know. And this is, you can just feel the love everywhere you go, you know. So, good morning.
Morning.
So, okay. Well, I wonder if Carl's home today. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, these people are doing something. I saw them mixing a little cement here yesterday. Good morning. So I don't know what they're going to do here, but oh, they're putting a new. Oh, they're going to put a deck on there. New deck. Okay. I see. All right, I'm usually pretty good at taking music out of my videos, so I'm going to leave it go here. So if my sound gets garbly, it's because I'm trying to filter out the audio, or you know, the music. So we'll see how that goes. I don't want to shut it off. This is a straight through video today. Straight through. Good morning. Look at these two characters over here. Lucy, you found a nice shady spot. Can I join you? Yeah. All right, man. All right. Oh, we got some pumpkin in here.
Pumpkin.
Oh, I see one. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
All right.
Want to buy a chicken?
Huh?
Want to buy a chicken?
No, I just, you know, one of my subscribers said they love my channel, but they wish my videos were longer.
Okay.
So I said, you know what? Today, I'm just gonna let it run and not worry about it has to be something new every day. So I thought, Maisie and I are going on the road later, and I'll video all that because they love that, you know. But today, I'm gonna come down and see 1010 because I haven't done that in a long time. So I stopped at Piggy's new place, and we named it. It's called the Bam Bam Shady Place.
Ah.
Or the Bamboo, not the Bam Bam, the Bamboo
Shady place.
Shady Place, something like that. Something. You have to watch the video. Red Button Journal. Watch the video. Be sure and like and subscribe too when you're on that video. Yeah. Here, let's see. Oral. What's up, brother?
Ain't good.
You guys know this guy?
Yeah.
This guy's at, you know, here a long time ago I had a video about a man climbing a tree and cutting it down, and he only took out part of the neighbor's house. No, I'm joking. He didn't. I'm joking. No, it was very difficult because of the way the electric lines were, but he climbed right up there and did the job. But this is Oral. He's been climbing trees since he was, you know, very small.
Respect.
What do you got going on here? Little
white rum, you know.
little white rum, little
water.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I want everything alright.
Oh yeah, everything's good. Everything's all right, man.
My alright too.
Yeah, she's doing good. We're gonna go out on the road a little bit today. We got some shoes need repaired, and
Yeah.
and you know the shoe repairman over here in Dalby.
Yeah.
We're gonna go see him.
Our jacket.
Yeah. I got a pair of shoes that real nice around the yard.
Yeah.
But they're finally some of the heels coming off.
Yeah.
So I got to get that fixed.
Yeah.
And she's got something on her purse I think needs to be
Yeah.
fixed. But we've used him before. He does a nice job. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause I don't know the to me down, I see you up the side of me.
You got to come down. You came down here just to see me.
Yeah. Show my respect.
Bless up. Respect, brother. One love.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Come show my respect.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Oil came all the way down. Carl! Respect, brother.
Go on.
Just doing a little
Everything
video. Just doing a little video.
Glad to see you, man.
It's good to see you.
Okay.
Run a little taxi today?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you
Yeah.
go. There you go.
There we go.
Okay. Bless up.
So how's everything around there?
It's good, man.
Okay.
Everything's good. Everything's
Okay.
good.
Have a nice day, Tom.
Yeah.
I want chat like that. Yeah, man. That's a nice cook shop that don't
See, let's go see this cook shop here. Let's go see what she got over here. Because people are soon gonna see why people love living in Cheswick right here.
Alright, put on my breadfruit. Put on my breadfruit. Put on my breadfruit.
Oh, we got a.
Tantan breadfruit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Hi. Love it up, love it up, love it up.
Tan loves to be on YouTube because I don't know. She
Me and
very.
my fat friend. Put the one by my fat
Yeah.
friend. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
My fat
Show the
friend.
English in the pan. Show the English
What'd you say? What kind of friend?
My fat friend.
Your fat friend.
Show in the pan.
This is one thing you gotta learn about Jamaica.
Put the camera in the pan.
Saying somebody fat.
Up in the pan.
That is not insulting. To call a fat person skinny, that's insulting because they're going to call you a liar. So you're better off to be honest. They have more respect if you're honest. That's the truth. That's the truth, isn't it?
Yes.
But damn, you're skinny.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's true.
Ah! No, you're not skinny a bit.
Yeah. Yes.
I don't know how the sound's going to be because of all the wind, but we're going to find out.
Yeah.
I turned the wind on, so yeah.
I don't know yet. I will remind me to do that because of the.
Oh, we sell all the nice sugar cane. Look
Yeah,
at the
man.
father sugar cane.
Oh, you got.
Yeah, we love the sugar
Oh, if we're
cane.
going to do a commercial, let's do a commercial.
Yeah. We
Okay.
love the sugar
Yeah,
cane.
yeah.
Sugar cane. I like it. Something about
You've been on here before.
Spice them up. Tom.
I lovely ripe banana.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, ripe banana.
Natural white woman a year, so.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
That's hand sanitizer.
You don't
Oral.
put them there.
You think that's white
Yeah.
rum? That's hand sanitizer.
Tom, I'm gonna walk it up. I'm gonna walk that.
All right, we're gonna go down the road. Oh, you know they may not be able to hear nothing we say because of the wind, you know.
Yeah.
But that's okay because they can read our lips.
Yeah. See what's going on.
All right.
Yeah.
Boy, it's a nice breeze though, you know.
Yeah, man. It's not too bad.
No, it's not a bad day for being.
Yeah.
You know, if a guy sits in the shade,
Yeah.
it's real comfortable today.
Yeah, man. It's not too bad.
And at home, in the house, it's so hot, you know, because the air can't move.
I make a breeze out.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. I saw it thing up all the time.
Yeah.
Over the shop there for a little while.
Yeah.
So just,
Good morning.
yeah, man. Just
Bless
take
up.
care
Bless
till
up
them
yourself.
time.
Huh?
Circle.
Yeah. Circle the shot. You want to go over there? Let's go over this. I'll go with you. If that's all right. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I'm trying to make it longer, you know.
Oh.
Because some people like the video a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So we're going to see. We're going to see how it goes. So I don't even remember the person's name that said, you know, make those videos a little bit longer.
Oh.
But we're going to see how it goes.
Yeah, man.
And hopefully,
Hopefully
the gangsters over here, I probably can't video the gangsters because, yeah, they're probably in hiding, you know? No, man, nobody's in hiding here? Oh, yeah.
One of us, you know, man.
Look at this.
Yeah.
What kind of something you making there? Coleslaw?
No, raw veg.
Just raw veg? Okay.
That's the party spot, I know. China's lawn.
Yes, this is, yeah. China's lawn right here.
That's all.
This is where it goes on. You got a party coming tonight?
Yeah, tonight.
Who's DJ?
Eagle Eye Sound.
Eagle Eye Sound?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sound system.
Okay. What's the cover charge?
Oh, for the lawn?
Yeah. No, to come in. You got to pay to come in?
No.
Oh, you just
It's a free party. You come in and buy a drink if you want.
Okay. So that you, okay. You heard that tonight.
Yeah.
I'm going to post this when I get home. I'm going to work it up a little bit, make sure it looks okay. Make sure everybody add a little touch up.
Yeah.
So this guy will look like he's from Hollywood, big movie star.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this guy here, he really needs to touch up, you know.
Good original, right? You don't know how to do it now.
I got to touch it up, make it look good for my viewers and subscribers. You understand? The Red Button Journal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be sure and watch it.
Yeah, man.
We're going to be right here at Chinalawn. I was calling it China Lawn the other day. I'm making people laugh.
And double.
Yeah, it's double N. Here's the sign.
The price list.
Yeah. Okay, here's the price list. It's not bad, really. No, sir.
The bright up a little bit.
The big one, yeah.
Them a big one about the Moscato and
Yeah.
Remy Martin.
That rum quart. Boy, you'll have your own party if you get one of those.
Yeah. I'm like you.
All right, brother. Okay.
Come on, go look for the pot there, man.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Sam, go look for it.
Hello. We got a big delivery here. Hello. What?
The chef, man.
Oh, the chef man.
Big pot in the fire, blackbird food.
Okay. What all you
What
cooking
me
up?
pot
I see you got a
tonight,
breadfruit. You got stuff in the pots?
Yeah, man. What me
A little manish or what?
Then I got video where I'm making.
Huh? Yeah, there's a big YouTube video here.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
I make something like a guy have a
Oh, we got what?
Some curry beef.
Some curry
Curry beef.
beef. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have some stew pork over here.
Oh, that's some pork. Pork soup, stew. You got any manish water over here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's look at the manish water. Oh yeah, that's boiling up nice. Nice. Okay, you got some what? Pudding?
Rice.
Oh, rice and peas. Okay.
Some pork over
Some curry. Okay.
Come.
Curry conch. Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Dang. That's some nice. Tell me what's in manish water. Since you're the chef, you got to tell me what you put in there.
Yam in there. You know, pumpkin in there. You have it goated in the same way. And so, we have all heap of something in there, man.
All kinds of. It's very tasty.
Yeah, man, all heap of something in there.
Yeah, and I understand it's an aphrodisiac. It's what they call an aphrodisiac.
Okay.
The manish water.
Yeah. Okay.
You know about that, aphrodisiac?
Yeah.
it's good for men to drink it.
Yeah, man.
It makes them healthier, you know.
Manish water.
Yeah, Manish water.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's where the name came from or not, but okay, let's go over here and check out this little stall of yours. What? What? Okay.
Hot pepper on the sides, you know, we
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that, black mango?
Oranges.
Oh, that's an orange. I thought.
That's orange, dog.
Okay.
Yeah, that's orange.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, who did your painting here? Who did your painting?
Oh, this is a red stripe here, and we have the white.
This is a sign here,
Yeah,
but some of it's
sign.
painting. See, this is what it's one thing I love about Jamaica is the hand painting, you know?
Yeah.
People do, you can
That guy only here do that.
okay. You can see, you know, it's hand painted.
See here, right here.
And then up here,
Here.
I'll come back when that's on there.
Yeah.
But here we got, it says red,
Yeah.
what does it say? Fantasy.
Yeah.
The Red Fantasy. What's Red Fantasy? The name of the place?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
See the lady over there, that's my lady.
Okay. Okay.
Anthony.
Okay. So when I see her on the road looking
Yeah.
like she's trying to find somebody,
Yeah.
I'll tell her where you are.
Yeah. Come on.
Hello.
That's my
Hello.
lady.
What are you reading?
Just story.
Oh, tourism.
No, that's a story.
Oh, just a story.
Picture in the die.
Ah, okay. Cool. What's a nice, you know, it's a hot day,
Yeah.
but this breeze
Yeah.
is making it so cool in the shade.
Yeah, it's cool here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really gorgeous.
Yeah, man.
Really gorgeous.
Man, I share the bed to my peel all.
Okay. Oral's my tour guide today. Okay. Okay. Oh, you got them already all peeled. Okay. It's roast breadfruit, roasted on the open fire. Are these sweet breadfruit?
Look more, we have to serve on YouTube.
Huh?
We have to serve on YouTube, look more.
Yeah. I'm trying to been on YouTube. And one of my subscribers said, we want to see you have longer videos.
Yeah.
So I thought, you know, let me give it a try.
Yeah.
Let me just give it a try and see how it goes.
Yeah.
So, you know, but I usually stay around home. So I thought, you know, if I do that, I'm just going to have to go around the neighborhood.
Yeah.
But that's okay because people get to know people, you know?
Yeah.
And people like that.
Yeah.
So not everybody likes it. They go watch something else.
Yes.
But the people who like that, they can watch this. Yeah. So is that pretty sweet breadfruit?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo. You got a lot of cooking to do. It's hot in this this cook shop.
Yeah. Man,
All right, man.
Yeah. All right,
I'm gonna go on down the road.
All right.
Bless up. Bless up. Bless up. Yes, I'll be coming around, you know. Yeah, absolutely. All right. This is a happening place. They got a lot of prep work to do, you know, for the big party tonight. Okay. Oh, here we got another hand-painted sign. Meat, etc. Consignment, liquor, warehouse, and retail. And a lot of times if I run out of soda or something, just want to run down and grab, you know, six sodas or something. I'll come down here. Because sometimes the price is a little better than just buying one-on-one. If you just buy one, you know, you got to pay more. But if I just want one, I just stop at one of the little shops along the way here. So, and there's plenty. You know, everybody's got a little shop. And, you know, here in Jamaica, people try to hustle, make what they can. So, but look how everybody's busy today. Everybody's busy and happy. These guys over here, they're getting tuned up for the big chin-a-lawn tonight. You're getting all tuned up for the big chin-a-lawn tonight. Boy, they're cooking and all kinds of stuff over there.
Yeah, party dance keeping.
I've never seen you over
Yo, me love this.
I never made it over there.
Camera cleaning.
Huh? I don't know, because my wife won't let me go. She's afraid some pretty girl will take me home, I guess. I don't know. I'm not afraid of that.
You gotta let her roll.
I'd let her take me home, you know?
You gotta let her roll with you.
Yeah, I should.
I'll go out. Buy him 2 cigarettes now.
Huh?
Can I buy him 2 cigarettes?
No, not today. I didn't come. All I got is a.
Tomorrow, let me see what.
The only thing I got is a GoPro battery in my pocket.
What is that?
A GoPro battery. That's all I got. That's the only thing in my pocket.
Okay. Later, maybe I can get 2 cigarettes.
I don't know. Yeah, next time. In Jamaica, when they say next time, it means no. Next time. Next time. You think he knows what that means? No. He knows what that means, doesn't he? You know what next time means? Yeah. It means no.
You do it, what you know?
Huh?
You do it already, man. So I know you're going to do it again, man.
Okay. That's true, I did. That was before I knew what next time meant.
Yeah.
That's why last time when you said, you said, can I get 500? And I said, next time.
Next time.
Next time. Boy, your jaw about fell to the ground when I handed you a $500 bill. You couldn't believe it because you thought next time meant no.
No.
But it turns out I didn't know that. But see, I've been around Jamaica long enough now. I know how it goes.
Yeah, you
I'm picking up on the lingo.
That's good.
Next time.
Yeah, next time when I see you.
Yeah, next time.
It's now we're gonna. My God.
You couldn't find a shady spot. All this shade around, you couldn't find a shady spot? No? No? Well. Okay. Okay. He couldn't find a shady spot. You're going to take it out on me. Well, I'm having a real good time here. Real good time. And Cheswick, St. Thomas, Jamaica. Good morning. This right over here is where we get our gas for the stove. Right over here. But they're heavy when they're light. I mean, when they're empty, they're real light, you know. And I can bring them down here, but I have to drive my car because they're too heavy to carry back. But when we send Lucy, he can take them on his bike. He can carry them on his bike. He balances it on the bar, and he can ride his bike. Good morning. Hey, look at this. Huh?
Yeah, they catch me one already. Where do we that one? The first one they catch me on. Oh, that's street there.
It's been a long time.
It's okay. So I make a new one.
Yeah, this is gonna be a new one now today.
So
it's gonna be a long one. You have to watch till the end to see yourself.
Okay.
So you got any China glue today?
China glue?
Yeah.
Yeah, China glue is there.
Because we need one. So when you get up there, when you get up to Madge. Yeah, I'm going home now. Yeah.
You're going home now?
Yeah, I just been out doing a video this morning.
Yeah.
Tell me about yourself.
So far, I give thanks to life and me just an ordinary hustler in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And life good, but this addition no good.
Yeah.
So you need a little more to survive.
So you got a little side business here.
Yeah, the side. I hit the survival.
Just Fridays? Friday's the day you go out, or you go out another day too?
Every day.
Oh, every day you come
different
out.
places, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Oh, it's Friday for Cheswick.
Yeah, Friday for Cheswick.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's how it is, you know?
Yeah.
I'll get the tourists there and go, yeah, tourists.
You get the tours? They buy stuff from you?
No, sir, if I do my tourists, then if I broke pocket tourists, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trying to go.
Okay. All right, cause I don't have any money in my pocket. Yeah. How much is it?
400.
Okay. I gotta check the. Hello. I gotta check the price, you know, before you get down there. The price might go up.
Yeah,
No, I'm joking. You know I'm playing with you. You know I love to joke around.
Yeah, right, they're going well. Yeah, Warlord. Yo.
All right, I'll tell Madge I got some China glue. This is like this China glue. It's like super glue. Oh yeah, it even says super glue on it. They call it China glue because if you look at it, see the lettering. It's like they just call it China glue, but it's really just super glue. And in foreign, they just call it super glue. Yeah. So anyway, good morning. Oh, that breeze feels good. Ooh, that breeze feels good. Man, that's nice. That is a nice breeze. Whew. Yes, sir. Hello. Somebody's having a rough morning over there. Oh, that breeze feels good. Sorry about the sound, but it sure feels nice.
That man just give me a beer, a dragon. And me and him did that. We just go there now with me.
It's a nice sunny day, big cotton candy clouds, you know. Looks like they might get a little rain up in Portland today, you know. Big clouds, beautiful place. This place, Jamaica. All right, viewers and subscribers, big up yourself. Be sure and like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of this long format. Subscribe and share this, put this on other, you know, social media so we get the word out about this Cheswick, St. Thomas, Jamaica vlog. Bless up.